electronegativity. So these trends are there. So that we have to discuss how it is vary along the groups. So it will take 3-4 classes. That's all,
That's
not more
all.
than that. That's all. It's a small topic. Okay, maximum
If we
4
don't
classes.
divert, it will take 3 classes.
No, they only 4 trends are there. Others are not important. Okay, so we'll see. We'll wind up quickly. Okay, so I will give you a table also. First, you write the basic definition. Where is the draw? So we have to see the periodic trends. So right here, at today date is 2011, na? 2011-20. Write on the heading, atomic or periodic properties of periodic properties of elements. This is the heading of the topic. Atomic or periodic properties of the elements, right? So let us use this color. So we can say various properties of element, various properties of elements. Let us remove, people will come one by one. I will remove the enable option. Various properties of elements. Yes, anyone had doubt?
Sir,
Uh,
after 40 minutes, we have to rejoin, sir.
yes. Because it is so your my ID now. So there will 40 minutes to there. Okay, we rejoin. What's problem with that? Here 40 minutes and then again we'll end up by 9:10.
It is showing like we can record, sir. Give permission.
Yes. Siga, you want recording?
Sir, I'm already recording, sir.
Yes, it's okay. So they will upload. Okay. The various properties of elements are divided into the. I think someone recording now. Why all want
Sir,
to record?
I'm recording, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Just concentrate on the topic. Various properties of the elements are divided into the following 2 categories.
Sir, after recording, can I post it in the group, sir?
Yes. Not group. I think you post the YouTube only. Okay. And you can give the link better.
Okay, sir. I'll post it in the YouTube, sir.
Yes.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. So one is the properties of the individual atoms. Properties of the individual atoms. 2 categories. One is the individual atoms. Okay. So under this we can see the properties. We see the properties like of the atoms properties. We'll study for the individual atoms. Properties like one property is the valency we'll study. Second property we can study atomic and ionic radii. Atomic and ionic radii. Ionization enthalpy. Ionization enthalpy. Electron gain enthalpy. This is comma. Electron gain enthalpy. Electron gain enthalpy. Electronegativity. So these are the property for the individual atoms. Electronegativity. All we are going to study, right? And properties. So these are.
Sir, I didn't understand enthalpy itself. I didn't understand, sir.
How will you enthalpy? These are the example, na? How will you understand?
No, sir, you thought enthalpy in thermo, no, sir. That time I didn't understand.
Enthalpy means heat. You are talking heat at constant pressure You are saying latent heat of fusion, latent heat of vaporization. This heat at constant pressure. So we, instead of heat, we can use the term enthalpy. Okay, any
Heat at
enthalpy.
constant temperature, sir.
Heat at constant pressure is called enthalpy, and heat at constant volume is called your this one internal energy. Okay, that's why we use the bomb calorimeter. Bomb calorimeter always give the internal heat of the substances. Okay, they won't give the enthalpy. They never give. They'll give the internal
Sir,
energy.
enthalpy is what, sir?
Enthalpy means the heat of the substance at constant pressure.
So what is
Oh,
heat
okay.
at constant temperature, sir?
No, sir, that's
Heat at constant temperature. No, that we don't have. We have at constant pressure, constant volume. Okay.
No, sir, when we convert, when we use latent heat and convert the ice into
No,
water at the same temperature.
that is the, in that case we are using a term heat, heat change during the isothermal process. We use the term enthalpy only. Okay, because you are using the pressure constant. In temperature also pressure
If
is
pressure
constant.
is constant, only if temperature is constant, pressure will be constant, sir.
No, so that we are not saying. Here we are keeping the only temperature is compulsory constant. Pressure constant, not constant, that is variable. Maybe constant, may not be constant, but temperature must be constant.
Pressure, sir.
Okay. In that case, the temperature must be constant called isothermal process. Okay, when you
Yes,
take the
sir.
temperature, but heat we are not saying. Enthalpy, heat we are not using. In temperature constant, there is no change of heat. How heat will take place? Heat only change take when temperature difference take place. Now, hmm? How you
No,
got like a
enthalpy
how temp?
means change in
You
heat
tell
at
me.
a.
You tell me at temperature how possible? When difference of temperature is there, then energy transfer take place. Now,
Yes, sir.
then how we can take the constant temperature? I think we discussed now previously. Heat means the
Sir,
difference
yes,
of
sir. In
temperature.
isothermal processes,
Hmm.
at constant temperature, we can change the state function of of substance, no, sir.
At constant temperature? No.
We can change the state function of a substance at a constant temperature, no, sir, during isothermal process.
During isothermal process, we can.
Change
Yes.
the state function
Huh.
of a.
Basic function can change. Pressure, volume, temperature won't change. Pressure, volume, and moles can be changed. Okay, we can
Yes, sir.
change pressure, volume, moles. This will change it, but temperature won't change it. And these are directly.
Sir,
These
so
are
can we tell in isobaric process enthalpy is evolved?
no. Isobaric process only enthalpy is enthalpy is taken. We are using enthalpy as isobaric process only. That is called enthalpy. We use the enthalpy only when pressure is constant. Okay. Enthalpy means pressure must be constant. And
So the
directly.
amount of change in heat at a constant pressure is called enthalpy, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Understood.
Electronic configuration. So this is the. These are directly related to their electronic configuration in this property of the individual atoms, right? Means in a period, wait, we can write here. One is the group of atoms. Wait, I will just note down. Then we'll just write down some more extra points. Second is the property of the group of atoms. This is for the. These are the properties for the individual atoms. Now we are going to see properties for of the group of atoms, right? Of the group of atoms. In this case, we can see the properties. So here we have properties. Properties like melting point, MP, melting point, boiling point, melting point. Next is the boiling point. We can say heat of fusion, heat of fusion, heat of vaporization,
Can you scroll a little up, sir?
heat of. And this is just where it started. Just you have joined right now. heat of vaporization, okay, energy of atomization, density, energy of atomization, even we can see the density.
The heat
Okay.
means latent heat, sir.
Exactly. So density, atomic volume. I think now you have understood. So which property related to individual atoms and which property is related to a group of atoms. So these are the property related to group of atoms. Okay. So
Sir,
the
what about electron affinity?
electron affinity here again enthalpy. That is electron affinity. Okay.
Okay, sir.
These are
It's
the
just a
actually.
different name, sir.
Electron gain enthalpy is the another name of your electron affinity. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So these are the actually bulk properties. These are actually called bulk properties. Bulk properties means that is, we can write here, that is the properties of the properties of a collection of a group of atom. Collection or group of atoms, group of atoms and are only indirectly and are only indirectly related to their electronic configuration. Electronic configuration. Right. So we can say in a period. Wait, first you write down this thing. All these properties, all these properties which are directly, which are better use this green color. Mhm. Mm. Which are directly or directly or indirectly.
Sir, you told there are four, sir. You wrote 22, sir.
What happened?
You told there are four properties, sir, but you wrote only two.
No, not four. No. This is the we are writing. If the atom is single, in that case, what are different properties is there? So, oh, this one. Okay. Actually, it's easy
Oh,
only.
okay.
Easy
No,
only.
sir. I
Actually,
thought you are writing the trends, sir.
no. We're just not writing. I will give bulk of full notes. Okay. I'll give the
Okay,
full.
sir.
Then you can understand now. Then you can give the answer of any question properly. Okay. Otherwise, you
Yes,
say,
sir.
"Okay, sir, you have not taught properly, sir. I'm not getting answer." Now you'll get the proper answer. Hmm?
Okay, sir.
Atomic structure or the electronic configuration electronic configuration of the elements of the elements are called atomic properties. They are called as your atomic properties. So this we can underline. Okay. So atomic property is the directly or indirectly related to the atomic structure or electronic configuration of the element. Okay. Uh, we can also write One more is there, periodic properties. After atomic properties, we have the periodic properties. What is periodic properties? You can write answer. The properties which are directly or indirectly related to their electronic what happened? No,
What,
no,
sir?
somebody recording video now, you will get this one. And which show a regular gradation, when we move from left to right, in a period, okay, or from top to bottom, or from or top to bottom in a group, okay. So these properties are directly or indirectly related to the electronic configuration, and they will show regular gradation. Okay, gradation will be only regular. Okay, this is important point, and this gradation will be possible when you are going from left to right in a period or top to bottom in a group. Okay, so in a period we can say this period properties. Okay, so this is and the phenomena is called your periodicity, right? This phenomena is called periodicity, right? Called periodicity. So periodicity means the decrease or increase of the properties according to electronic configuration in a regular gradation. Okay, so in a period,
Sir, can you scroll up, sir?
what happens? So slow. I am going so slowly. I'm going very fast.
Sir, anyway, it's available in OneNote.
Yes. Already
Sir,
I
you're
gave it.
going medium.
I'm going
Sir.
medium speed. Okay.
Sir, could you please scroll up, sir? Just 1 second, sir. Just the
Mhm.
first, like all these Yes, sir. 1 second, sir.
Okay. Over.
Yes, sir. Completed, sir. Thank you.
So in a period, the ultimate orbit remains same. In period, orbit is always same, but the number of electrons gradually
Increases.
very good, gradually increases. Clear? In a period. So this you have to make it this line, right? And next is in a group. And in a group, what will happen? In a group,
Opposite, sir.
it will be opposite. So here will be the number of electrons, the number of electrons in the ultimate orbit, right? In the numbers of electrons in the
Sir, it
ultimate.
means in the last orbit, sir.
Yes, sir. Ultimate means the last orbit. That is remains same. The orbit remains same, but the values of n increases. But the values of n is the principal quantum number. This n increases. It's clear, right?
Clear, sir.
I think you have understood now. It's clear now. So there no need to writing cause of periodicity. Write down. You write full notes. Okay, it's better. Half notes. If
Sir,
writing
this
is
is the cause of periodicity, right?
what is this
Sir,
phenomena?
yes, sir. Is this the cause of periodicity?
It's cause only. We can say cause only. Because outermost cell electrons configuration is constant in a group, right? But in the period, it is actually increasing, right? And actually, write down also cause of periodicity. Better write down something given different answer. The cause of periodicity in properties is due to the some outermost cell. First is the outermost cell electronic configuration. Second is the periodicity element with the similar properties means they will occur at intervals of 2, 8, 8, 18, 18, 32. And these are numbers are called magic numbers. You want to write this point? You write down better. Okay. Cause of periodicity. Okay.
Sir, you have a very big clock, sir.
What big?
Clock
Very
sound is
big.
coming, sir.
I said,
Behind you, near you.
behind clock. Okay,
Yes,
okay.
sir. Near you, there's a clock, sir. Clock,
How,
CLOCK.
how you can see the clock? You might
Sir,
be in
no,
clock.
sir. Sound is very loud, sir.
Oh, clock sound. Okay, you can hear
The
the sound
clock
also.
sound is very loud.
Oh, Acha, Baldev said 1 second. Okay. Oh, you can see the clock sound. Actually, I'm so here. I'm just putting this one headphone. I can't hear it. Or maybe tick tick sound is coming on.
Yes, sir.
The cause of periodicity. Cause of you should have a very good notes. So if you have good notes, you can able to understand. The cause of periodicity in properties is in properties. Property already we discussed the atomic properties. Property is due to the same outermost cell, same outermost electronic configuration occurring at regular intervals. This first point, and second point is in the periodic table. In the periodic table, elements with similar properties, elements with similar properties occur at intervals of 2, 8, 8, 18, then 18 and 32. Okay, and these numbers are called numbers are called as magic numbers. Now, I think now things are clear, right?
Yes, sir.
So we go for directly. Before going, we'll go for one topic that's called screening effect. After screening effects, we'll go for this
So
one.
are you writing this in the same book?
Nope.
Sir, steam
No,
effect.
same thing, but
Same here.
No,
After
it's
this
not
is
getting
different
updated.
page. Sir, we have to rejoin, sir.
after 10 minutes, we'll rejoin. No problem. Okay, you will get the
Sir,
break.
sir, no,
What?
sir.
What?
You
what
just
happened?
change someone who has who is doing with Fiji ID as the host, sir. Then you will get upgraded into unlimited time.
No. Unlimited, but recording is not there, na?
Sir, no,
Fiji-
sir. For mine, anyone can record, sir.
From yours.
Sir, but it is not
Sir, we have our Fiji ID.
Srijan,
I am
have
using
you?
my.
Sir, but Fiji ID is
Yeah,
also
I
not
have.
pro, sir.
I
It
have
it
changed
doesn't have
everything in
unlimited time.
Fiji. No, who said Fiji ID has unlimited time only?
Sir, I
Fiji
tried
time
day.
is
with Fiji ID. No, it doesn't have unlimited time.
Yeah,
The Fiji
unlimited
I
time.
has
used
unlimited time, but we can't record, sir.
sir, I gave my ID to my piano sir and all. He's using mine only.
Your only.
Is he getting
Sir.
unlimited time?
Yeah, that's why he's taking class. Or else all 40 minutes he has to go out, log in, and all.
Sir, then we can try.
So then we can try.
Sir, in Fiji. Sir, we can. Sir, no need. Sir, in
Actually,
Fiji account also you can allow us to record, sir. Sir, in Fiji account you can allow us to record, sir.
No. I have no option.
Sir,
Because
no, sir. Sir, in Fiji account there will be settings, sir. You should go to settings and profile one option will be there, sir. If you click and view advanced features, sir. No, sir. I did everything. I changed yesterday only, sir.
Actually, no, they're asking to change the password. If you change the password,
No, sir. No need of changing password and all.
then
Just itself, if you are viewing in Fiji ID, sir, go to settings and profile no option, sir. If you go to that and there will be 3 options: edit my profile, view my subscription, and view advanced features, sir.
So how we can edit?
If you click view advanced features, sir, there will be some options it will show you, sir. So you can scroll down and see what all options you want. You can select and change whatever you want, sir. Like
But
that only it works, sir.
No, that I tried. They are saying they are going to this one. Change the password, then you can edit it. So changing password,
Sir,
I was thinking.
changing password.
Actually, I tried. That's why I thought if someone want to recording, let me give this ID. I tried. So okay, maybe so they have changed right now. So I will try once again. Okay.
Yes,
so now we'll see the
Sir,
screening.
it's at Sigma, sir.
Sigma. A screening effect, or we can use the term screening constant. So there are 2 terms: screening effect, or we can use the term screening constant. Screening.
Sigma, someone told.
Screening constant. This symbol. Can you see this symbol? One round and straight. Screening constant. Both have the same meaning, screening constant or screening effect, and other term is called effective nuclear charge, right? So let us see what is the first is this one, your screening constant. Other name is also screening constant, or you can use the term shielding effect. That is also term is there. Two, three names are there. Shielding effect. Okay, let us see what is the shielding effect. First you write down, and then we see the jet effective charges. So let us see first definition. Okay, so first is your shielding effect. Shielding effect, or we can say screening constant. So what is effect? The decrease in force. The decrease. After that, I will just show you how it is affecting the force of attraction. A decrease in force of attraction. The decrease in force of attraction on valence electron. On valence electron due to inner shell electron, due to inner shell electrons, okay, is called screening effect. Screening effect. Okay, that is a total repulsive force. How much time is there? 4 minutes are there, na? Total repulsive force. Okay, and due to screening effect, due to screening effect, we can say the valence shell electrons, valence shell electron experiences, valence shell electrons experiences less force. Yes. Now, we will solve problem. Okay, don't worry. I gave you an NCERT text. I gave you book now. So in
Sir,
that case,
for me, it's not getting updated, sir. Sir, today's notes, what you started, it's not updating. Until last class, it got updated.
See see the top right corner. That circle symbol will be there. No?
Yes, sir, for
So
me,
it
it's
shows.
showing on cloud and tick symbol only, sir.
No. See right side top. Now see. Circling.
Sir, it's no, for me, it's not showing like that, sir. For me, it's showing cloud symbol only.
yes.
Yeah,
Sir, what
new
section,
section.
sir? Sir, what section, sir?
New page you opened.
Yes,
Yeah,
that's
periodic trends.
Sir, they stopped recording.
wait, only 2 minutes there. I have to use one due to screening effect, valence electron experiences less force of attraction exerted by the nucleus. That is the total attraction force experienced by valence electron. Valence electron is
Sir, for me, it's showing only one page. Second page is not coming.
called second page. Not it will come. It will come. I will show you.
Sir didn't even close it.
Yes. Okay. So I think it is better we should go for the next page, right? Meeting will be ended within 1 minute, right?
Sir,
Okay,
we
let
can
me
leave
type.
and we'll rejoin, sir.
No,
Sir,
it's no problem. No problem. Okay.
Sir, then should we rejoin or not, sir?
No,
Okay,
no,
we
it's,
should,
no problem. I just after off now. I just restart. Okay, same ID, same password.
that's what.
You can join with the same ID, same password. No problem. Let them off it.
Okay, sir.
So there's a reduction to because the reduction in nuclear charge. Reduction in nuclear charge. Okay, due to screening effect.
Can you scroll up?
Screening effect. Wait. Let me complete it. So reduced.
So the meeting will stop.
Wait. No, meeting is still there. It's still there, no.
Sir, no, sir. I
Ready.
am telling it will stop. See, stop this.
It's no problem. No problem. How much time left?
Sir, only 10 to 20 seconds, sir. Hey, it's
Huh?
20 seconds. 20. Sir, 10
Okay, no
seconds.
problem. Okay, it's no problem. Okay.